Have you ever wondered why, despite all the self-improvement techniques, the goal-setting strategies, and the motivational speeches, something always feels incomplete? Like there's an emptiness that no amount of success, money, or external validation can fill. If that thought has ever crossed your mind, then you, my friend, are on the brink of discovering one of the most powerful and overlooked aspects of personal growth: spirituality. I am the Darklight mentor, and today we're diving into the deep waters of what it really means to grow, not just physically, mentally, or financially, but spiritually. Because let's be honest, you can have all the success in the world, but if your soul is starving, you will never feel truly fulfilled. And I'm not talking about religion, rituals, or blindly following a belief system. I'm talking about something far more profound: connecting with yourself, understanding your purpose, and aligning with the universe in a way that makes life flow effortlessly in your favor. You see, I used to be one of those people who thought spirituality was something only monks or yogis pursued, something distant from the real world. I believed personal growth was all about discipline, hard work, and grinding until you made it. But here's what I learned the hard way. No matter how much you achieve, if you're not at peace within yourself, none of it will ever feel enough. The moment I embraced spirituality, not as a belief system, but as a way of life, everything changed. So how does spirituality play a role in personal growth? Let me break it down for you. First, spirituality gives you clarity. Most people chase dreams society imposes: money, fame, status, without asking, is this what I truly want? They run a race they don't even want to win. Spirituality cuts through the noise, stripping away distractions and false desires. It acts as a compass, guiding you toward your true calling, not where the world expects you to be, but where you're meant to be. Second, spirituality teaches you detachment, not as indifference, but as strength. Too many people suffer because they cling to outcomes: the job they must have, the relationship that must last, the success that must come by 30. When life doesn't go as planned, they break. But a spiritually grounded person trusts the process, knowing that what's meant for them will never miss them. Third, spirituality also makes you fearless. Fear controls most lives. Fear of failure, judgment, loss. But fear thrives where spiritual connection is absent. When you align with something greater, whether you call it God, the universe, or energy, you stop operating from fear. You gain an unshakable confidence, the kind that turns ordinary people into legends. Let's talk about the practical side. How do you bring spirituality into your personal growth journey? Meditation. This isn't just sitting in silence like a monk. Meditation is about reconnecting with yourself. Even just 10 minutes a day can change your entire mindset, help you make better decisions, and keep you centered no matter what life throws at you. Journaling. Write down your thoughts, your dreams, your fears. The more you put your inner world on paper, the clearer your path becomes. Clarity is power. Practice gratitude. Instead of focusing on what you lack, start appreciating what you have. Gratitude shifts your energy and attracts more of what you desire. Let go of control. Stop trying to micromanage everything. The universe works in ways we can't always understand, but trust me, it's always working in your favor. Let go, trust, and watch how things align perfectly for you. Surround yourself with growth-minded people. Your environment shapes you. If you're around people who are spiritually lost, their chaos will become your chaos. Find those who elevate your energy, not drain it. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, this all sounds great, but how do I know it works? Let me ask you this. Have your old ways worked? Have stress, overthinking, and trying to control everything gotten you peace? Probably not. The truth is, we've been conditioned to seek fulfillment in the wrong places. The real power isn't outside of you, it's within you, but only when you're willing to tap into it. So here's my challenge to you. Pick one of these practices and start today. Just one. Maybe it's journaling. Maybe it's 5 minutes of meditation. Maybe it's simply letting go of something that's been weighing you down. Do it, and then come back and tell me how you feel. Drop a comment below and let me know which one you're going to start with and why. And remember, your journey to personal growth isn't just about achieving more, it's about becoming more. Align yourself with something greater and watch how life starts working for you instead of against you. We'll meet again tomorrow. Until then, stay strong, stay grounded, and most importantly, stay true to yourself.